a different question. In your papers, you spoke a lot about your extracurriculars and work outside of the legal fraternity, related to you being the chair of the Cape Town Rape Crisis Center, as well as mentoring a young black woman attorney. So I'm just interested if you could maybe expatiate on some of this work around gender empowerment and some of your activism work more broadly, and how it positively or negatively may affect your role as a potential judge in this particular labor court. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for that question. I must say it's a question that I always anticipate when I sit in these matters. But I can assure you that I've probably written 3 or 4 judgments on sexual harassment matters. When I look at the matters and I write the judgments, I write the judgments based on what the facts tell me and what the law tells me. And I think of the 4 judgments that I have written, there's one involving the department, I think it's Home Affairs, where an employee was dismissed for sexual harassment, and I came in and I said, it's understandable why a commissioner would find that the employee was involved in sexual harassment, but taking into account the facts of the matter and the circumstances under which the conduct complained about had occurred, I was of the view that the employee could be given a final written warning and return to work. And obviously, when I wrote the judgment, I was very much alive to the fact that the department might not be happy about the conclusion that I had arrived at, because there's, in my view, a misunderstanding that every case involving sexual harassment must be met with a sanction of dismissal, and I expressed a view in that matter that is not so.